FORMAT25 is here. WW Winter is pleased to be part of FORMAT25, running from the 13th to the 30th of March, 2025. We will be providing tours of our unique purpose-built Victorian photography studio on specific dates during the Format exhibition. You will see behind the scenes of a Victorian photographic studio, which has been in constant daily use since it was built in 1867. You will also find out about our history, discover why we had a first and second class waiting room, and hear about the development of photography. You will also see some of our historical artifacts and examples from our glass plate negative collection, which totals 1 million images, as well as our plans to secure the building and collection for the future. Our extremely knowledgeable volunteers will be on hand in each room to guide you through our collection and provide information on the various aspects of photographic techniques that have been used within the building. The display of cameras in the second-class waiting room, from our own collection and those donated to us, charts the development of photography from the Victorian era to the modern day. Tours of our studio will be held at 11 a.m. on Saturday the 15th of March, Thursday the 20th of March, Tuesday the 25th of March, and at 12:30 p.m. on Saturday the 29th of March. To book your place, please contact WW Winter on 01332 345 224 or email office@wwwwinter.co.uk. We are sure you will find your tour extremely interesting as well as entertaining, and look forward to welcoming you to our studio as part of FORMAT25.